So earlier this season, we unveiled our new kitchen. We redid our kitchen here at the show with the help of our friends, the cousins. One of our favorite components in the kitchen is the Big Chill Pro fridge. Has tons of storage. It comes in 12 colors. I happen to love this color. This color is called Slate, and that fridge is worth $3,500. Or it's free. Enjoy your refrigerator. Denise, enjoy your fridge. So today I'm gonna make, it's burger night. So we're going to make a Parmesan crusted egg and put it on a bacon burger. So for this recipe, if you wanna go online, you can also get my recipe for quick pickles. I make these all summer long. Everybody loves them. You can make them out of Kirby cucumbers or seedless cucumbers. Of course, you can substitute any store-bought pickle you like. Mine are slightly sweet and salty. It's made with a little bit of sugar, a little kosher salt, white vinegar, fresh dill, dill seed, garlic, and mustard seed. Super simple, and you can make them in just minutes. So check that recipe out if you go online. I'm gonna throw our bacon in the oven. See you later, guys. For the burger part of our burgers, I made a garlicky burger with some grated or finely chopped garlic, a little Worcestershire sauce, and a little chopped flat leaf parsley, kosher salt, and black pepper. Little bit of olive oil or canola oil in your cast iron skillet. Cast iron makes the best crust on any meat or protein. A nice flat surface, a la plancha. Down here, we're going to make our Frico egg. So this works with any cheese. A non-stick small skillet. And you're going to add your cheese of choice. In this case, we're doing Parm, little grated Parm. And make a little pile of the cheese. As the cheese begins to melt and bubble, we're working over medium heat, not too hot. Crack one egg and put it on top. Now I can cook the egg in the cheese, and I can cook it easy, medium, or hard. Take the lid off and let the cheese cool. That's the trick. Once the cheese is cool, it'll get nice and crispy. I'll show you right after this. So guys, these are what Frico eggs look like when they're done. Joey Cola, will you do me a favor?
Yes.
And pull another one of our audience members out for our
here we
raffle?
go. Ready? I'm gonna do this here now.
We are going to raffle off what I'm making for dinner. Who gets to have a burger?
Kathy Short!
Come on down! Have you been watching the garlicky hamburger I've been making?
Yes, I have.
Does it look good to you?
Yes.
Yes, it is. All right, so on the bottom of the bun are my homemade pickles. We're gonna top our homemade pickles with a beautiful garlicky burger. Ooh. Yum. And then we're gonna top that with a nice slice of beefsteak tomato, a little salt and pepper on the tomatoes. And then we're gonna top the tomato with 4 slices of our bacon so that every bite has bacon goodness in it. And there is a thing of beauty.
Thank you.
Take a bite. Tell the people what you think.
All right, here we go.
It's good, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
It is rude to talk with her mouth full.
But I'm going to tell her as soon as she swallow that bite so you don't choke. I'm also going to send you home with a ton of my stuff, pots and pans and all kinds of fun things to cook with. All of my favorite pieces, the big 12-piece set, plus screw ribs, all from my Cucina collection. You'll love it.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.